here's very quickly how to get a character or model to explode in your game. So make sure you're in object mode and just click on the model. Then down here you should see that you have this option called particle properties. We're going to click on that, just hit plus, and you should have a particle system. When you play, you should see a bunch of particles falling. So we want to generate all of our particles within a specific moment. So I have 100 frames in my animation here. I want to actually explode around here somewhere. So I'm going to have all my particles appear at 15, and you'll see if I play this again, all of the particles appear at the same time. There's also a bit too many, so we're going to turn it down to about 100. So imagine that each of these dots is going to be one of the shards of your character. The next thing we have to do is we need to randomize the direction, which will cause it to fly in different directions. And the higher this number goes, the more random it's going to be, and with more strength it's going to fly. This amount here also says how strong the explosion will be. So you see at the moment it's quite a reasonable explosion, but if we crank this up, the explosion will be a lot more significant. So I'm going to keep this at about 10, because that seems pretty okay. Actually, yeah, that's still too much. I'll just keep it at 1 for this. So now that we've got some basic examples of this, we're going to add in some rotation. It's not going to be visible here, which is unfortunate, but that's alright in this case. Next, we're going to go to our modifiers, and you'll see our particle system there, and we're going to add the explode modifier from here. And this modifier will add our ability to do this. But if you look carefully, you'll see there are still those annoying red dots. So we just got to go back and over here. And I believe if we scroll down to render, yeah, it says here, render as halo. And if we just set it to none, you can see all the dots have disappeared. And now there you go. You've got a full exploding model.